Replacing Frigidaire water filter, this is something each homeowner can do. In this video I'm going to show you on how to replace the water filter in this Frigidaire fridge. If you own any other fridges, it's not a problem. You can apply the same approach to the fridge of any make. Hello homeowners, my name is Garrick and I'm the owner and operator of Tactful Appliance Repair in Calgary. On my YouTube channel I share tips and advice on how to look after appliances, how to avoid breaks, and how to make educated choices when it comes to selecting the new appliances. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. Here is the Frigidaire fridge that didn't have a filter replacement for a while. The first sign that the filter needs to be replaced is the red light on the panel. I recommend replacing the water filter every 6 months or so. If you don't replace it twice a year, the quality of the water and ice will go down, and at some point the water in your fridge will be going very slow, and there will be no ice in the ice maker. So the whole process of replacing the filter can be split into 4 steps. Step 1. Purchase the right filter. It's not like your dishwasher soap detergent that will fit every dishwasher. Filters will be different for each make and model. So first you need to locate the label with the model number inside of the fridge. Here's the model number of our fridge. Then you can go to the stores like Home Depot or Lowe's, but there is an easier way to get the filter for your fridge. There is a big retailer of home appliances parts here in Canada and in the US. It's called Reliable Parts. All you need to do is to visit their website reliableparts.ca or reliableparts.com, and in the top right corner enter the model number of your fridge that you have just found, and right away Reliable Parts will show you the most popular parts for your fridge. The water filter will be in the top 3. Choose the water filter and enter your postal code, and you'll see which Reliable Parts stores you can find in the filter located close by you. Here in Calgary, the filter is available in all 5 stores. Now you can either go to one of the stores or simply order that online and the filter will be shipped to your house. Step 2. Unpack the filter. This is straightforward, nothing fancy. Don't forget to remove the plastic protective caps from the nozzles. Step 3. Install the new filter. Push this button to take the old filter out and simply put the new one in. You'll hear a click, which means that your water filter is good to go. Step 4. Rinse the filter. As you can imagine, the filter is absolutely dry, and after you install it, you need to pass some water through that. The same idea as with any other filters. If you still have some questions related to the filter replacement, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will do my best to answer all of them. That's it. Smash the like to this video and enjoy your fresh water. And please let me know in the comments if my step-by-step instruction was helpful with this small project, and I will see you in the next video.